So today we're going to look more at dividing mixed numbers and fractions, and we're going to look at that in the context of a story problem. So Mr. Rich wants to make some quarter-pound burgers. He has 2.5 pounds of hamburger meat. How many hamburgers can he make? I think most people can see that this is a division problem, but you have to be careful with division problems because the order matters. Are we dividing the 1/4? Or are we dividing the 2.5? Well, in this case, we are dividing the 2.5 pounds of hamburger meat into 1/4 pound burgers. So it's 2.5 divided by 1/4. Since we have a mixed number, we have to think, what are we going to do first? Well, the first thing we're going to do is change that mixed number into an improper fraction. So you take the 2 times 2, which is 4, and then add the numerator of 1 to get 5, and keep the same denominator of 2, so we have 5/2. Each of the 2 wholes could be split into 2 pieces, that's 4, and then we had 1 more half, so that makes 5 halves. Now we can do our keep, change, flip. 5/2 times 4/1. So it's top times top and bottom times bottom. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 1 is 2. 20/2. But could that be simplified? Yep, it sure can. He could make 10 quarter-pound hamburgers, and knowing Mr. Rich, he could probably eat all 10. If you were really nice, he might share one with you. If you wanted to look at this in a model, we start with 2.5. So here you can see we have 1, 2 wholes, and a half. So this yellow highlighted part is 2.5. Now we want to see how many groups of 1/4 are in that 2.5. So we take each whole and divide it into 4 parts. So the first one is 4, another 4 makes 8, and then we have 9, 10. So with the model we get the same answer, that 2.5 divided by 1/4 is 10. There are 10 groups of 1/4 in 2.5. So wrapping it all up, you need to remember that in division the order matters. You need to think about what quantity, which number is being divided and should go first. You want to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. And then you want to do the keep, change, flip. So I hope that helped you with story problems with dividing mixed numbers and fractions.
I'm loving it.